guys, this is Miss Cutelis. Today for lesson 3, we're going to be working with audio settings on our iMovie program. And just go grab your iPad and let's get started. So today we're going to learn to add audio to a video that you make. So go to your iMovie app and create a new movie. Choose a video or a set of photos that you want to work with. Click Create Movie and your video will be uploaded automatically. Start at the beginning and look at what you have. Now you're going to go to Audio. There are 3 options on the iPad version. Soundtracks, and we're going to try each soundtrack. And you these are different versions of soundtracks. Then music. There's different versions. Sorry. This would be if you have music already uploaded on. And I would not suggest using your own music, especially if you're going to upload your your videos onto a public forum like YouTube. Then there's sound effects, and these are on the right side. You see how long these sound effects are for. And I will show you how I use these. You can use them for different reasons. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and add a soundtrack to my video. And when you want to add it, you just click on the plus sign on the right. And what it does is it adds the soundtrack for the entirety of that one film. So if you had several of them there, it would only add it to the end of that space. So let's see what that looks like. Great. Okay, that sounds good. Now, what we're going to do is, let's say I had another video after that, or I had I had images uploaded. So I'm going to go ahead and show you. I'm going to add some images to, I'm going to go to Media, go to Photos, and I'm going to find an image that I usually use for the beginning and the end of all my videos. It's like my title. Oh goodness, can't find that for some reason. It's in here. There it is. And I'm going to add it. Oops. This is downloading it. And then you can add it. This one is not a very good quality. Oh, there actually did come out well. And then I usually also add it to the back. And this is when I would put a different sound on here. First of all, I don't like how long this is. I'm going to shorten it. And instead of having the same music, I'm going to actually have those sounds that I showed you. And the way that I break this sound is I click on the sound, I put actions, split, and now it's 2 different sounds, and I can delete that. And now I have space to add my next sound, which is the sound effects. And I think there was an applause in there. And I really like that one. So I'm going to go ahead and add it in there. And it just kind of gives it a different feel. You can use the sounds for anything, but this is what I usually use it for. Now, see how much longer that is? You can either click on it and shorten it, or you can split the frame. So for the beginning, there. For the beginning, I usually like the sound to be a little louder. And so what I usually do is I'll split the sound, and on this part, I will change the volume. So notice it's only highlighted on the left. I'm going to make it a little louder. And then on the right, it's just going to stay the same. So let's see what that sounds like. Wait, I'm sorry. I didn't get enough of a... You see the sound is a little bit different. It's lower. And that's it. Great. We've already worked on this before, but you can also record your voice on top over here. But it does affect the volume of everything. So if you are going to record your voice, I'm going to go ahead and do, maybe over here, I'm going to record myself. Welcome back, everyone. Get ready to make art. I'm going to go ahead and accept it. Notice the recording now is on top. And let's see what that sounds like. Welcome back, everyone. Get ready to make art. Now, all of these, you can change the volume by just clicking on the actual bar and going up and down. And you see the little mountains going up and down. And then I always suggest trying everything out, going back, listening to it. It's kind of like when you're learning to write. You have to read everything that you wrote back to yourself, and that way you see what it sounds like. You have to do the same thing with iMovie. Welcome back, everyone. Get ready to make art. Okay, and then let's see what the last part sounds like. And I could put another sound here. Thanks for joining us. And you see, let's see what that sounds like. Thanks for joining us. Okay, so we are done with audio.